13 April, end of the day. Made my little extra thick washers, 4 more of them. Went ahead and disassembled my gib. This is the new bolt to replace the broken bolt. I had to put some heat on the other two to get them to break loose. God only knows last time they come out. Kind of hard to screw that up. The gibs are doweled in place. Got a dowel here and a dowel here, so you can't get it in the wrong position. The bolts just kind of hold it there after you dowel it in. I was looking at my guides. I'm gonna get on the internet, see if I can find something different. I don't like these. Not a whole lot of adjustment. You can see where this one's been dinged. Actually went through the notcher. So I'll see if I can find some different. I ain't gonna throw these away, but I haven't cleaned these up yet. That's why they look like crap. But like I said, there bound to be some used material guides on eBay for these old notchers. I'm filthy. Got grease all over my new coveralls. That's alright. I'm a working man. So, but yeah, I don't think I did anything particularly difficult today. Even pounding on the sheet metal to straighten it up a little bit wasn't too bad. Again, I'm extremely blessed. This hinge down here was one that was broken. It was riveted to the panel before. You might be able to see those rivets. And sometime in the past it broke off and was all out of position, all out of whack. So just tack weld it. So it's pretty good shape. Here's my foot tank. It does just fine. Rerouted the electrical cord going to the motor. Actually, it's liquid tight conduit, and cinched it up out the way with some zip ties. Keep it off of everything that moves. But that's about it. Rolled some more cigs, just a few. It's still, wind's still blowing like hell. And maybe it's like I said, it's supposed to rain Monday or Tuesday, or Monday and Tuesday, who the hell knows. So it doesn't rain and the wind lays down, I'll spray them a lot. Hopefully before it gets too far ahead of me. Yeah, I think the notcher's going to be a good one. I've been cycling it, just turning the flywheel and holding the operator pedal down. It goes up and down just like it's supposed to, nothing bound up. I'll disassemble the head and lube it real good with gib and whale oil on all the movement points, pivot points. This old stuff it likes its oil and grease, and it's messy as hell to run. Not like the new stuff. Back in the day, they was more concerned about stuff being lubricated and less concerned about the mess it made. So, which is actually the way I like stuff. So, that's about it for this one. Thank you.